Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to delete Snapchat messages from both sides. For this, just open the Snapchat app and now open the chats. For this video, I will send a message and then I will delete that message, and I will show you how you can delete the message from both sides. For this, suppose I will send a message to this person, and now if I want to delete this message from my chat list and from my friends chat list, I will just tap and hold the message and then I will click on delete and then click OK. Then click on delete chat. Now this message is deleted from my chat and also from my friends chat. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.